We marked that one place here. This is the new board. Huh?
What is on now? So I'm going to go. Now this you go use. Maybe I can use. Wash. When you go ready I can use now, if you go bend something. Or you blow every day.
The thing is under this one. What happened? No, so you say fast.
It's faster than this one.
Well, yeah. Okay, it's only pressing one way now. Right?
Yeah, 2 years.
You know how long it took it on to bring 4x6?
Which one?
This one.
Sir
John,
yeah?
this is your machine. You know fast is
So,
okay.
It gets speed now. We do. I mean, just the print head don't go.
Okay, you low am.
Of that one.
But if not like this, they run. Forget that fast.
I will slow that one.
Oh, me, I don't defend. Look at when I never defend Yinghe A Reach for this life. So, they don't just. Yinghe don't just. Even Sonny said no. I don't say their machine go Comoros Island. Bro. That's how much I believe in them. Wait. Even get one DTF where I want send go US maybe January and I see them. I need lights.
Okay. On my phone touch. Open now.
No, you should come on if you press it down.
Open now.
This side. Yep. No, I don't think he needs to see that. Where? Hold it now. Right. So where's that cover? Cover it. You want to test. You want to run it. The challenge is that this phone records 4K. So if you don't pause it now, it might be very hard to send it. Okay, don't worry, let's add the final. We don't reach 1 gig like that. If not more. Please take this. Okay. Alright, we're good. Okay. So that's on it. Yeah, turn it on. Okay. Give me your lights. Yeah. So where's the network cable? Have you connected? Yeah, connect the network cable. It's ready. Connect system, then send the job. What was the next job you wanted to print?
Just run anything.
Okay. Yeah.
Like I just know the test on it.
No, it's not just not to test. Let him just send the job.
Because this one is not connected, so it might be.
Is this one moving?
No, the head might be.
know what we'll do. We'll set the head here like this. You get? We'll set the head here so it will print this way.
I'll go with
See as it's quiet. You see like one of the reasons when they do that our gym when they really shout like idiot. Is this not 10 minutes video? Have you plugged it? Yeah, send it there. Let me do. Moving on. Since he's known to cut somebody's hands. Where did the notice say start from? Oh, okay, from there. How many nozzles do you have? Eh? 6. There's only 5, I see. You have a syringe. Big. Edged towards the side more. Alright, so send the job now. Daddy.
Send anything. Anyone.
So we're about to send the print job, that's nozzle test. Your job is what size?
What you want to send?
What's the size? 6 feet. Eh? Then what size did you send? Because it's saying max width error. What's the size of your print board? 43.
Yes. No. Because of that, send any 6 feet or you print the work for 6 feet.
Then why is it saying that? Okay, maybe this board is configured for 5 feet.
Send any work. Make it 72. Send that.
And even if it's 72, it might give that error. Is that 72? Okay, wait, let me know where the edge is even starting from. It's correct. I assume that maybe this board is configured for 5 feet. Alright, send. If you give that error one more time, I'll open it at the back and then increase the... Did you do auto set paper? Yes. Alright, oh yeah. Send it now. Okay, so that thing is 6 feet, right? Okay, cancel it. Cancel the job. So let me turn it on now. So this was the problem. This one is saying 173 centimeters. So it's lower than 6 feet. So you have to increase it to something like 215 or so. Anything that's more than 6 feet. If you calculate 173 centimeters, it's not up to 6 feet. Alright, send it again now. Should work. How he will get this video is what I don't even understand. Because the video is long and by now we don't reach that kind 4 gig. 13 gigs. It's not connected. The network cable is not connected. Is this a real job?
It's actually 182. It's a real job.
6 feet 182, and it was 173.
It's out of space.
And amigo, don't mind me. So boss, can you see it? It's okay. Can you see it? Same board? I'll pause the machine now so you can see that it's the same board. We didn't change anything. So I'll pause it now and show you that it's the same board. So you can see it's fine. Show me this job is wasted. I should pause it now. So I have to pause. I have to pause this job now. Now I want to show you that it was your board that we are using as this moment. So So now I want to show you that is your board. I'll turn this guy off right now. Is that a screwdriver?
What a screwdriver.
Thank you. But jaw dust is divine dust. So you can see it was that same board. Here, give me lights. Can you see it? See that dot? So that was the board we just used. So I'll send you this video now.